Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Man. In today's video, let me show you how you can change Photoshop language and English. If we go to Edit and then Preferences and Interface, there is a UI language option, but there is no language to select. So to change the language, we need to close the Photoshop, then search for it, right-click, and open the file location. This will direct you to the folder where your Photoshop is installed. Once you are here, you will need to search for the locals folder and open the folders you find inside. This is the file we are looking for. Yours can look different depending on your language. We will just need to change the name or extension of this file. In my case, I will rename it and change the extension. And that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.